the context, the words being used, and why they're being used in a particular way. If I'm reading in French, then I'm going to do the same thing as well. So I analyze everything, the words and the context. So the same thing occurs when you, as an ESL learner, you're reading in English. It's important that you understand the words and the context that they're being used in. So for this activity, I'm going to read from my Cybersecurity Fundamentals textbook, because this is focused on English for cybersecurity. Here's a sentence, well, a paragraph from this book. It says, Splunk Enterprise helps to review an organization's data on dashboards and help to manage an organization's internal infrastructure by collecting, searching, monitoring, and analyzing log data from multiple sources to obtain full visibility into an organization's everyday operations. All of that sounds very intriguing. It has a lot of information, but it might be unclear to a person who is learning English as a second language and they also work in cybersecurity. So they want to improve their English for their everyday tasks. So when they're working, this might not make a lot of sense. So what's the first thing that we have to do? Well, we can break it down. What's a dashboard? A dashboard is literally a screen, okay? Everything that you see on the computer screen, that could be a dashboard. So let's say this rectangular thing that we see in front of us that is displaying data, okay? In this case, Splunk is used to analyze log data. What are log data? Well, these are everything that occur in an organization. So when your employee arrives and they click, they sign in, that's a log data because it's registered in the system. It's going to show the name of the employee, maybe the employee's badge number, and the time that the employee logged in. So everything that occurs in the organizations are considered to be log data, and they're stored. What is Splunk's objective in this case? It helps you to analyze a lot of information, a lot of things that are happening in the organization on a single glass pane so that you can see everything that's happening. And in the back door, there are algorithm or different pieces of code that are analyzing everything that's happening in the organization. And if there's something suspicious, then it's going to send an alert. And that's where you would have to put your focus. So basically, that is what it's saying in this simple paragraph. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next video, English for Cybersecurity. Bye.